Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use split screen mode on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you want to use the split screen feature here on Android, it's really easy. So if you have used recently application, all you have to do is tap the three lines to see or view your recently used application. Now, if you want to use either one of this application right here and another application, then you need to use the split screen feature. Take note that some applications don't support split screen feature. For example, Snapchat. Now I'm currently using Twitter. I have to tap these two dots right here and then look for split screen, and here it is. So I have to look, or I need to look another application. Let's just say I want to use Telegram. So it's Twitter and Telegram simultaneously. Okay, as you can see, I am now currently using the Twitter application above, and below here is my Telegram. So basically, that's how easy it is. Now, again, you have to take note that not all applications support split screen feature. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.